spring I've seen you read a Cruising World magazine, and I am sailing on a kayak, but you would never know it was a kayak. It's actually a legitimate trimaran that can be converted into a kayak or vice versa. I'm just hauling the mail here, steering with my feet. I mean, look at the speed. This is fun. No hands, steering with my feet. There we go. Yeah, man. Woohoo! It has all carbon construction. It's super lightweight, super easy to sail. You can see the windward ama just flying high out of the water there. Woohoo! It's fun. And tack. Oh, I'm getting good at this now. Check this out. This is fun. I mean, this is one of these boats where you can have it on deck, and you can rig it off the back of your boat, and you could be either paddling or just sailing up a storm, speeding around the harbor in like no time at all. Get a little more sheet, a little more speed. Steering takes a little getting used to with the feet, but it's not that hard to figure out. I mean, look at that water just speed by. Yeehaw! Woohoo! Yeah, man, this is awesome. It's just some sort of kayak that's had a rig put on it. This is a legitimate trimaran. It's got spectra shrouds and fully backed main, square top main. It's the real deal.